Now let's take a look at all the parts that are included with your Sera screening device. Firstly, you have the carry bag. The carry bag can be used for storing and carrying the Sera device so it's stored safely, and there are various compartments within the bag to place all the different components. Now let me show you some of the components of your Sera Newborn Hearing Screening device. Here we have the cradle, the Sera screening device, the neck strap and the probe. The neck strap can be connected to the Sera device by clicking this in on the back here, and then the device can be worn around the neck for easy transportation during screening. With the cradle, you should connect the power adapter to the back of the cradle, and then you'll see a yellow light here to indicate that there's power to it. When you place the Sera device into the cradle, ensure that the light comes on. This will tell you that the device is charging. If the device is not positioned correctly, no light will appear, and you may need to reposition it so that the light comes on. Now let's have a look at connecting the probe to the Sera. The probe needs to be connected to the device before use. There are small metal pins inside the probe connector and also inside the device connector. It's very important that these are lined up prior to insertion. You can see there are a small black dot here and one here. Make sure that you line these up and then gently push together. Do not twist during connection, because this will break the pins.